Okay, this is continuing on SPI 9.9. We're looking at the periodic table to help determine the properties of an element. We're going to talk about how the elements are arranged in the periodic table during this fun sheet. Okay, so the first thing we need to know is a period on the periodic table goes from left to right. Okay, now I want to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here you can see the periods are different colors. The whole entire green row is a period. Okay, the whole entire blue row is a period. Okay, so think, how do you write a sentence and where do you place the period? Okay, this is a way to remember that periods go from left to right because you write sentences from left to right, and at the end of a sentence you put a period. Okay, elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells. Okay, and that's one reason why we've been doing these board diagrams, so that when I show you this it will make sense. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so here's period 1. Alright, I've colored in the nucleus so that you could see that that's the nucleus. Okay, but I want you to look, how many shells do we have in period 1? We have 1 shell. Okay, let's look at period 2. Period 2 has, I'm coloring in the nucleus in both of those. There's 1, there's 2. So period 2, they're going to have 2 shells. 1, 2 also belongs in period 2. And you can see the entire period is consistent there. Every element in period 2 has 2 electron shells. Okay, now let's look at period 3. Okay, period 3, I've darkened in the nucleus. There's 1 shell, there's 2 shell, there's the 3rd shell. Okay, if you look at chlorine, element with the atomic number 17, I've darkened in the nucleus. There's shell 1, shell 2, and shell 3. That's the reason why it belongs in period 3. Okay, so on this, I want you to write down what I do. Okay, you can see I've labeled, there's period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Guess how many shells each period has. Okay, so this is arranging the elements in periods.